Hello students, in this video we will discuss about a question on the topic of ogive. Question is draw less than and more than ogive of following data. CI 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and frequency F equal to 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 5, 10. This is the frequency, and we should withdraw the less than ogive and more than ogive from this data. For the first, we should be change this data into the less than cumulative frequency and more than cumulative frequency. For this, first we write here CI and frequency. CI 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Frequency 2, 0, 5 and 10. First write here less than. Less than means less than 20. Less than 20, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50. And cumulative frequency here less than 20. Less than 20 means 2. Less than 30, 0 plus 2 means also 2. Less than 40, less than 40 means 5 plus 2 means 7. And less than 50, less than 50 means 7 plus 10, this is the 17. And change into the more than cumulative frequency, more than 10. More than 10 means all these frequency are the more than of 10. So 2 plus 5 plus 10, that means more than 10. And CF, more than frequency will be 17. More than 20, more than 20, more than 20 means only left the 2, that means 5 plus 10 plus 5, this will be 15. More than 30, more than 30 will be also 5 plus 10, 15. And more than 40, more than 40 means only 10. This is the more than cumulative frequency. Now we have changed this data into the less than cumulative frequency and more than cumulative frequency. Then find the points. Point will be taken as points for less than will be equal to less than frequency less than 20 and 2. Second point will be 30, 2. Third point is 40, 7 and 50, 17. And points for more than cumulative frequency, more than this means 10, 17, 20, 15 and 30, 15, 40, 10. This is the more than cumulative frequency. Points are more than cumulative frequency. Now we draw the graph. Both graph on the same plane, X, O and Y. As you know that limits lie on the x-axis, that means limits, and here CF, cumulative frequency. Limits start from 10 to 50. This is the 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Cumulative frequency minimum is 2 and maximum is 17. That means suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and this is the 17, 18, this is the y-axis. For the less than OG, 20, 2, 20 and 2, this is the point 20, 2. Second 30, 2, 30, 2, that means this point 40, 7, 40, 7, that means this point, and 50, 17, 50 to 17, this point, and we join these points by a curve. Should not get any corner because this is a curve, and right here less than ogive, less than ogive. Now we will draw more than ogive, 10, 17, that means this is the 10 and this is the 17, so points 10, 17 will become here. Again 20, 15, 20 and 15 means this point 30, 15, that means 30, 15 here. 40, 10, 40, 10, that means this point, and join these points with a cornerless curve, and write on this, this is the more than ogive, more than ogive. This is the graphical representation of the less than and more than ogive. If you want to find the median of this given data, then you can see here both curves intersect at this point P. We should be draw a perpendicular from P on x-axis. Suppose this line cut x-axis at the 40, 50, that means this will be suppose 45. Therefore median equal to 45. I hope you have understand this concept.